Hello everyone. Hello Gujarat. What's up? So I just came back from outside and I was went to Domino's and I was eating pizza after a long time. Domino's pizza. Yeah. I don't know. I think I was so hungry that I ate the 10 slice pizza all alone. No one would believe me. I told my friends that I ate 10 slice pizza all by myself, but no one is believing that I didn't eat 10 slice pizza. But I did eat 10 slice pizza, and they was very boring, and no, not really boring. It was very challenging and interesting, actually. So I was making presentations and um, like a 8 page presentation, and I did some research, like a real research, not those just researching and stuff, real data numbers stuff. I was researching, like a lot of time I was doing that. Instead of getting depressed, I was talking to my family members also. And but I missed this thing, this journaling today, and I didn't exercise also. Like I should start doing it. I really should start doing it. I cannot, waste my time like this and be indisciplined when I'm managing my behavior and everything. I need to get disciplined plus good behavior. So yeah, well, behavior is going a little better. Better in the sense is I'm not talking to people that much when I am on a call. I listen to them. I understand them. Hear them out. I talk very less. I really talk very less, and yeah, we talk very less to them. I just listen. Yes, okay, that's nice, that's nice. But they understand something's wrong with me or something I'm not telling them. I need to fix that, and I mean they should not know something's going through me, or yeah, I need to fix that part. When I'm should be enjoying also when I'm talking to them. Yeah, I need to do that. So yeah, see you guys. I am eating donuts also now. I'll eat some donuts. Yeah, I'm still hungry after eating 10 slice pizza. And now I'm questioning myself why can I'm not getting fat also. Yeah, see you guys. Yeah, I'll tell what else is happening, but packing, that's all. Police station, that's all. Okay, so bye. See you guys.